Hi there, it's Phil here. So one of the things about the DéLonghi Dedica machine is that there's a lot of information about how to clean this and descale it. Please take a look at the video that I link to show you the exact way to descale this device. But one of the cleaning options is this underneath filter, which you need to get a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the central bolt which holds the filter in place. This is something that DéLonghi don't seem to cover in any of their manuals or paperwork, and indeed it's not even shown on the line. But if you unscrew that, you can very simply just pull this away. It doesn't turn or anything like that, it just holds there, and you can see that that one is a little dirty. Actually, that's way cleaner than when I've cleaned it before. I took it off when I was servicing the machine and it was absolutely caked in coffee granules, and I had to take quite a while with a scrubbing brush, and indeed I was using a pin to help open up the holes in the filter. So you can see there how dirty it is. It's really quite black. So the thing to do is to get a scrubbing brush and run water through it. Hot water is a good idea, and see if you can scrub off the coffee grinds that are encased on the underside of that filter. If you can't do that, you might need to use a pin to push out the holes and get it back to a nice clean shiny result as I'm showing just here. Returning the device is the best thing to do, is just place it straight underneath and push it on. You'll see there that it just holds itself, and then you can present the bolt back up with the screwdriver and screw it back in underneath, and that will give you a much nicer, cleaner coffee from that part of the portafilter. That hopefully will enable you to keep your machine running nicely, and I recommend you do this every time that you descale the machine. I think it's a really good idea to keep that clean and make sure that the water can run through the filter holes nice and smoothly. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.